Hey guys, this is Tarunya from Minus Gateway. First of all, I would like to apologize for not making videos for a couple of months. One of the reasons being is that I was not keeping well, and two was I was setting up my home office for my work from home and for my video editing and shooting of videos. So right now I'm back online, so you should be seeing much more consistent videos coming up from me. So stay tuned for today's video. We are going to discuss about Toncoin, mining them on the 4 GB cards, and I'll see you in a bit. Thank you. Hey guys, so as discussed, we are going to look at mining Toncoin on the 4 GB cards that we have. And before mining Toncoin, just a brief overview of what Toncoin is. Toncoin is something that is developed by the makers and developers of Telegram, which is released as a proof of stake coin. But initially, what they're going to do is they're going to allow mining of this coin. They're going to allow mining of this coin, and post that the limited number, once the limited number of coins are completely mined, then they will be moving to proof of stake. So with that, let's begin. There are a few prerequisites or steps that you need to take before you start mining Toncoin. One is you need a wallet, and I'm using Windows, so you need a desktop wallet for that. So it would look something like this. So if you look, I've withdrawn some Toncoin today, but we'll talk about that later. As of now, what you need to do is you need to go into use Ton, go to wallets, and from there you can select Windows Ton wallet. It will download a exe file. Make sure you whitelist this on your firewall. Sometimes it might actually block this and delete the file or quarantine it actually. So just make sure you whitelist it. Once that is done, you need to look at mining pool. For that, you need to go into mining and givers under learn. Okay, and I'm mining to tonwales.com. Okay, here go to tonwales. Okay, and once you go to tonwales, click on start mining here, and it will give you some instruction that needs to be done to begin your mining. First, you need to install the Ton wallet, as you already got it from the ton.org page. Once that is installed, you need to get into Telegram. Okay, and you need to send a message to @whalepoolsbot. Okay, so the message should be, once you search in Telegram @whalepoolbot, what it will do is it will open the chat window. Here you need to type in /start. Once you start that, you will get an automated response like so that you see on my screen. And once that is done, you need to enter your wallet. So once you click on receive on your wallet section, you can enter the deposit address of your wallet. Okay, once that is done, you will get a message saying that congratulations, you can use your whale pool, and /balance. It will show you what is the balance that you have right now on the pool once you've started mining. So once that is done, what you need to do is next thing is to set up your flight sheet and miners. So miner in this case I'm using Hive OS. So let's take an example of this machine where I am using GTX 1650 and 1050, right? And these are the overclocks that I am using for the GTX 1650. I am not dual mining Ton. The reason being is as discussed in my previous videos, I would like to accumulate as much as Ethereum as possible. So I am directing all my hash rates of my cards which can mine Ethereum towards ETH mining only. So at this point of time, I'm using the 4 GB cards to mine Toncoin. So these are the hash rates that I'm getting. So I'm with the 4 GB cards, I'm getting close to about 3.171 gigahash, and I'm using Danny Lina miner, which is which is quite stable. If you see, I've had no issues with this miner, and my overclocks are also pretty stable, though if you see, there some of my cards are running at 62 degrees Celsius, because that is because with all the cooling in place for my rigs, the temperatures here in India have reached 34 degrees Celsius during the day, and it's summer here. So this at this point of time can even go up to 67 degrees Celsius. But with this particular miner, I'm not seeing any degradation in performance. It has been given me consistent hash rates across, so that you would see here. And for my LHR 3060 card, I am using LOL miner 1.48, the latest one, and which is giving me about 37.33 mega hash, right? So these are the overclocks. For the 1650 cards, I am using 100 core 1500 memory and 65 power limit, right? And for the 1050 Ti, I am using 165 core 525 memory and 60 power limit. If I increase this a little bit, I will get a little bit more better hash rate, but I'm not taking the risk of running these cards hot, because as you're aware, right, it's summer. So if it is right now at 62 degrees Celsius, if it is bright and sunny and a hot day, it can run more above 70 degrees as well, so which I'm not comfortable running with, right? So with the current setup, right, with this particular rig and my second rig which I'm using to mine ton with my Asus tough cards, I'm getting about 892 mega hashes. So same here. Here I'm using 100 core 1200 memory. I'm using Danilina miner itself here as well, with 90 power limit actually, right? And with this I'm getting about 892 to 896 mega hashes with these cards. And with the Samsung ones, I'm getting a little bit better performance. If you look, I'm getting 455 mega hashes at 165 and 525 with the power limit of 62. So total put together, I am doing about 5.5 gigahashes on Toncoin, which fetches me approximately about 1 Toncoin every 24 hours. I am using this Toncoin as one way of actually funding some of my expenses. What I do is I sell half and keep half. So that is what I am doing as of now. With Toncoin, what I will be doing is, after mining this for some time now, I will actually go ahead and switch to Flux again, back to Flux again in some time. Probably I'll mine Ton for a month and accumulate some Toncoin, and then after that I will mine Flux. So let's take a look at the flight sheets here and see how I've configured it. So with Ethereum, this is my deposit address. I'm mining to Ethermine Asia, and the Toncoin, this is the desktop wallet address, and I'm mining to whaletonpool.com, and this is how the flight sheet is configured at this place. So you can use the same configuration if you wish to mine Toncoin solo, or if you want to dual mine, you can use LOL miner to dual mine Toncoin and Ethereum together. But when you're dual mining Toncoin and ETH together, please keep in mind that your overclocks will change. It will not remain the same. You will have to actually give a little bit higher power limit. I've heard people saying that the profitability is more when you're dual mining a Ton and ETH, but that also has an impact on your card as well, because it tends to run a lot more hotter than what you see here. So I am not risking it because of the current weather conditions here, and the power consumption is also way too high. So I'm not risking it. I'm sticking to my 4GB cards to mine Toncoin, and I'm happy with the results that I have at this point of time. So these are the flight. This is the flight sheet as we discussed. If you have any questions regarding what and how this needs to be set up, and in regards to the Danilina miner, how you have to configure specific cards. So this is how you can set up individual cards on your miner. Let me show you in detail. See, the under the extra arguments, you can specify your device ID 0.0 hyphen 0.1 0.2. So it is mining with the first three cards on, and the fourth card is set as for Ethereum mining, which is configured in LOL miner actually. All right. So this is how I have set it up, and this is how you mine Toncoin. If you have any questions, please make sure you put that in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to respond to you. And as mentioned previously, right, during my intro, I wasn't well, so you should see a lot more consistent videos coming up from my side going forward. And if you like my content, please do like, share, and subscribe to it. And please also support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I will speak to you next time. Until the next video, you guys stay safe, take care, and God bless.